In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center image in Webflow. Quick tutorial. Open your Webflow project in the designer and head to the page where you want the image centered. Click to select the section or container that will hold the image. You should see the selection highlight so you know you're working in the right spot. With that parent element active, open the Add panel and use the search field to quickly find Image. Click Image to insert it into the selected container. If the element lands in the wrong place, simply drag it in the navigator to the correct spot inside your layout. With the new image element selected, look for the image settings and choose your file. Click Choose Image to open the Asset Manager, pick the image you want, and confirm. If your asset isn't uploaded yet, add it to the library first, then select it. Once the image appears on the canvas, it's time to center it. Keep the image selected and move to the right-hand Style panel. In the Layout area, locate the alignment controls. Use the Center Alignment options so the image sits in the middle of its parent container. This is the quickest, most reliable way to center an image without writing any code. If your layout is already using a container or a div block with layout rules applied, these alignment controls will respect that structure and center the image cleanly. Next, fine-tune spacing so the design feels balanced. Open the Spacing section in the Style panel. Set the top margin to 0 to remove any unwanted offset above the image, keeping it snug with the content above. Then add some breathing room below the image by increasing the bottom margin. A value like 180 pixels creates clear separation from the next section and keeps your layout readable. You can always revisit these values later to match your design system or adjust per breakpoint if needed. Preview your page to confirm that the image is perfectly centered and that the spacing looks right in context with surrounding elements. If you see unexpected shifts, make sure you're editing the correct element and double-check that the parent container isn't applying conflicting alignment rules. Once everything looks good, return to the designer and continue building, or publish to see the change live. That's it. Your image is centered, clean, and spaced consistently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next quick Webflow tutorial.